JAMB candidates that want to pass, one of the key things you need is a JAMB timetable, your own personal JAMB timetable. Remember, in our channel, our goal is that everybody connected to Noble Tutorials must score at least 300 and above in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know that you will score at least 300. Now, to make that possible, you need a JAMB study timetable. So in this video, I'm going to give you guidance on how to create that your own personal JAMB timetable. And when you finish watching this video, if you now create it and need more guidance, depending on your subjects, the first subjects we'll be writing, you let me know and I will guide you. By the way, remember that in our channel, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will give you JAMB past questions free. I will give you free JAMB past questions. That is, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will also give you free JAMB syllabus, free of charge. And if you join our channel, there is an option to join. If you join our channel, I will help you to create. I will work with you in creating your JAMB syllabus, your personal JAMB timetable. Let me guide you, give you just few tips. Number one, understand the JAMB syllabus. Understand what? The JAMB syllabus. If you are going to create your personal timetable, you need a syllabus. That's why I said at the end of this video, if you watch from here to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllabus. You need to know the official JAMB syllabus for the subjects you are writing so that you will know, okay, if I'm writing mathematics, the number of subjects I have. If I'm writing English, the number of topics in English. If I'm writing biology, how big, how cumbersome is biology. If I'm writing economics or geography. So you need a JAMB syllabus. That is number one. Number two, you need assess your strength and weakness. You need to know the subjects you are very good at and the subjects you are very bad at. Be honest with yourself. Which subject and topics do you struggle with the most? Those ones that you struggle with, those ones that you are not very good at, these are the ones you should give more attention. These are the places you must give more attention. Are you with me? Number three, set realistic study hours. Avoid overwhelming yourself with long, unrealistic study section. Some people will just read just to be reading. You just read so that you place your head on the book, but you know you are not understanding. So instead of reading for 2 or 3 hours straight, why not read for 15 minutes, stop, then read another 15 minutes, stop, then read another 15 minutes. It's very, very, very important. Do you understand? So don't fool yourself. Don't fool yourself, okay? Remember, you must score at least 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, let me know. Tell me the 4 subjects you'll be writing in your JAMB and the score you are targeting in each of them. Structure your timetable in a way that covers your subject. You must structure this timetable in such a way that it will cover all your subjects. You can say, let's assume you are a student writing English, mathematics, biology, and chemistry. You can say English 2 hours in the morning, mathematics 2 hours in the afternoon, biology in the evening, and any other subject. You adjust it depending on your time. Like if you are in school, maybe you are in SS3, or if you are working. So you know your personal time and how to fix it. Okay? Incorporate revision and mock test. It is important that you find a way to ensure that there's a revision. That is why in our channel I've been doing videos on expo questions. I've done on biology. We've done expo questions on use of English. We've done expo questions on Lucky Headmaster. Lucky Headmaster is the official JAMB novel. Nobody should play with that book because the questions will come, and we have leaked those questions for you. So in this your study time, make out time to also do revision As you read, revise. Don't just read and be rushing like bicycle without brake. No, don't just read and tell yourself, I must cover all the topics in one day or in 1 week. No. So as you read, give time to test yourself. Give time to do what? Test yourself. Give time for revision. Give time for revision. Revise the ones you have. There is no need reading many topics, many subjects, covering everything without really understanding. I would recommend read, then solve past question. Read, solve past question. Read, solve. Say it after me. Read, solve past question. Read, solve past question. So read according to the syllabus, then also solve the past questions. Okay. The next is what? Avoid distractions and stick to the plan. You see, last year there was massive failure in JAMB. That is why in this channel I've been very serious. So I've been very serious. You can attest to the fact that I've been very serious preparing you, giving you videos, giving you materials, giving you past questions, giving you syllabus, giving you Lekki Headmaster, giving you expo questions that will come out. So this time is not the time for you to be playing around. You can play after JAMB, you can party, you can rock after JAMB, you can pop champagne after JAMB, but within these few months, within the remaining 3 months or so that you have to prepare, lock up yourself. My guy, sister, brother, don't play. JAMB is not like WAEC or NECO where you can copy. JAMB there is not one that your invigilator can give you extra time. Once you enter on the computer, it is just 120 minutes. You have 40 seconds to answer each question. You will have 180 questions to answer. 60 questions in use of English, 40 in the other 3 subjects. So you can see that you have 180 questions and you have only 120 minutes, 2 hours to answer. It means you don't even have up to 1 minute to answer. So you have only 40 seconds. Lock up yourself. Be serious. I am very serious, ensuring that you score at least 300 in your JAMB. I want you to be much more serious. My joy will be that at the end you will score. At the end you will score 300. You will come to me and show me that you have gotten admission. Will be my joy. That will be, you see, that will be my joy. That is why every day I create content for you. Will you do that for me? Will you be serious? So let us create your timetable and stick to it. Don't joke with it. Don't play around, right? Then in all of it, remember to rest. Take time to rest. Take time to, you can play a little game, you can sleep, you can eat nice food, but after it all, return to your books, right? A good study timetable is key to acing the JAMB exam. Stay disciplined, track your progress and adjust when necessary. Now, if you join our YouTube channel, like I told you, I will help you. I will work with you in creating your timetable. I will work with you in creating your timetable, right? Then if you also, now that you are here, if you like this video, if you share this video, if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, I will give you free JAMB past questions. So you get free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, just like this video, share this video, and comment. When you subscribe, comment I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you JAMB syllabus, JAMB past question. If you now want to get me, if you now want me to help you to design a suitable JAMB study timetable, let me know. But you must have joined our YouTube channel, which is not free. You must have joined our YouTube channel. So join our YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe. Watch this video on the screen now.